For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a bar business can be a profitable and exciting venture, especially with the support of AI tools that can streamline planning, operations, and marketing. Below is a practical, step-by-step guide to launching your own bar business using artificial intelligence. Step 1. Conduct market research with AI. Before starting, you need to understand your target audience, local competition, and trends. Use tools like ChatGPT to analyze trends and simulate customer personas. Google Trends for popular drink and nightlife searches in your area. SparkToro for audience insights and behaviors. Prompt for ChatGPT. Give me a market research summary for opening a bar in city/state, including target demographics, competitors, and local trends. Step 2. Choose a bar concept and theme. Use AI to help brainstorm a unique concept for your bar that will stand out. Tools to use. ChatGPT to generate concepts and themes. Midjourney or DALL-E for AI-generated design ideas and mood boards. Loca for AI-powered branding/logo creation. Prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest 5 unique bar concepts suitable for urban professionals aged 25 to 40 in city. Include theme, design, and drink specialties. Step 3. Write a business plan using AI. A solid business plan is essential for securing funding and staying organized. Use tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate a detailed business plan. Live Plan to structure your plan and financials. Tone.app to make visually engaging business plan presentations. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a complete business plan for a bar with a speakeasy theme located in downtown city, including startup costs, marketing strategy, target market, and revenue projections. Step 4. Find the right location. AI can help you select a profitable location using data on demographics, foot traffic, and zoning. Use Placer.ai or SiteZeus for location analytics and site selection. Reonomy to search for commercial properties with data insights. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are the key factors to consider when choosing a profitable location for a bar business? Provide a checklist. Step 5. Estimate costs and forecast finances. You'll need a clear breakdown of costs, startup, monthly operating, and expected income. Tools to use. ChatGPT to draft cost estimates. Excel plus AI plugins like Excel Formula Bot to build financial models. File or QuickBooks plus AI to track and analyze expenses. Prompt for ChatGPT. List and estimate startup and ongoing costs for a 1,500 square foot bar in city, including rent, equipment, staffing, licenses, and inventory. Step 6. Handle legal and licensing requirements. AI can't file paperwork for you, but it can help organize the process and list requirements. Use ChatGPT to summarize licenses needed, liquor license, business license, etc. Clerky or LegalZoom to automate legal documents and business formation. Prompt for ChatGPT. What licenses and permits are required to open a bar in state/city? List steps and approximate costs. Step 7. Design the interior with AI help. The atmosphere of your bar is key to customer retention. Use Interior AI or Planner 5D to create 3D bar layouts. Midjourney/DALL-E to visualize interior decor and lighting concepts. Canva for menu and signage design. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a list of interior design elements for a bar with a modern industrial theme, including furniture, lighting, and bar layout. Step 8. Source suppliers and inventory with AI assistance. AI can assist in comparing prices and managing stock. Use ChatGPT to find common bar inventory lists. OSA Commerce or Shelf.io for smart inventory and supplier management. Zapier, to automate reordering workflows. Prompt for ChatGPT. Generate a complete inventory list for a bar serving cocktails, beer, and wine, including glassware and POS systems. Step 9. Recruit and train staff using AI tools. Hiring the right team is crucial for customer service. Use ChatGPT to write job descriptions and interview questions. Vervo or HireVue to screen candidates with AI interviews. Trainual to create AI-powered staff onboarding and training modules. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a job description for a head bartender with 3+ years of experience and strong mixology skills. Step 10. Build a marketing plan with AI. A compelling marketing plan can make or break your launch. Use ChatGPT to write the full marketing plan. Canva and Copy.ai to create branded marketing materials. Hootsuite or Buffer Plus AI for scheduling social media content. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a 3-month marketing plan for a new bar targeting millennials, including social media strategy, local ads, influencer outreach, and launch event ideas. Step 11. Develop a website and online presence. You need a professional online presence to build credibility and attract customers. Use Durable or Wix ADI for AI-powered website creation. Write Sonic for AI-generated website copy. ChatGPT to write FAQs, About Us, and SEO content. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write homepage content for a trendy new cocktail bar in city, focusing on atmosphere, drink menu, and happy hour specials. Step 12. Use AI for menu engineering and pricing. Design your menu to maximize profits using AI analysis. Use ChatGPT to create and analyze drink menus. MenuCalc or WISK to optimize pricing and calculate food/drink costs. Canva to design a visually appealing menu. Prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest a cocktail menu with 10 items, including ingredients and pricing, targeting young professionals in an urban area. Step 13. Launch and monitor with AI analytics. Use data-driven tools to assess performance and make improvements. Use Square POS Plus AI for sales data and customer insights. Google Analytics to track website performance. Yelp Fusion plus ChatGPT to monitor reviews and generate responses. Prompt for ChatGPT. How can I use AI tools to monitor and improve bar operations and customer satisfaction post-launch? Step 14. Retain customers with smart engagement. Use automation to keep customers coming back. Use MailChimp plus AI for automated email marketing. Loyalty Lion or Thanks for AI-powered loyalty programs. Tidio or MiniChat to use chatbots for reservations and FAQs. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create an email campaign for a new bar's grand opening, happy hour specials, and weekend events. Final thoughts. Launching a bar has never been more achievable thanks to AI-powered tools. From ideation to customer retention, you can reduce costs, increase efficiency, and scale more intelligently. By leveraging the right AI solutions and prompts, you'll be well-equipped to make smart decisions, engage your market, and create a memorable venue that thrives. Let the machines handle the busy work so you can focus on delivering a great time to your guests. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.